Hi guys, so I have got the Google Assistant running on the Raspberry Pi 3 as a headless unit. So you don't need any monitors or you need not SSH commands into the Raspberry Pi 3 to get the Google Assistant up and running. This runs on the latest SDK of the Google Assistant, which has the voice recognition built in. So the method that I'm going to show you now is applicable for both the API.AI projects kit as well as the normal Raspberry Pi 3 configured with an external mic and an speaker. So I have made use of the API.AI projects kit's LED indicator to show the Hotword detection. So those of you who don't have the API.AI projects kit can connect an LED to the GPIO pins. So the switch has literally no function whatsoever. The switch doesn't work. The clap or the snap trigger does not work. It is just by voice activation. Hey Google, what is the height of Statue of Liberty?
The Statue of Liberty is 305 feet tall.
Okay, so as you saw again, as soon as the Hotword got detected, the LED lit up, and when the communication stopped, the LED also shut down or got pulled down to low. So without any further delay, let's get started. So guys, as you can see, I'm not running the API.AI projects kit OS image. This is the normal Raspberry and JC image with the Pixel desktop. So the process that I'm going to show you now is same for both the ones with the API.AI projects kit and the ones without the API.AI projects kit. The only difference would be in the setting up of audio, that is the speaker and the microphone. So those of you who don't have the API.AI projects kit, there are so many tutorials out there for setting up your microphone and speaker. So I'll be skipping that part, and just for the sake of those who have the API.AI projects kit, so I'll just quickly skim through the procedure of setting up the audio without cloning the entire API.AI projects kit. So first up, to set the audio in the API.AI projects kit, you need to update your Raspberry Pi kernels. So for that, first open a terminal and run sudo apt-get update. So once the updating is complete, you need to install the new kernels. So for that, sudo apt-get install Raspberry Pi -kernel. So once after the kernels have got installed, you need to run the scripts for installing the voice hat. So for this, you need not clone the entire Git of the API.AI projects. So instead, you can use the scripts that I have attached. So you can find the links for all the scripts that you require for this project in the description of this video. Copy them, extract them onto a thumb drive. So you require the scripts under the folder called audio drivers, that is for the voice hat, and then you need the scripts under the folder called src. This is for starting the Google Assistant automatically on boot. So you need both these folders. Copy them, and paste it into the home/pi directory. So for installing the audio scripts, move into the script directory, cd home/pi/audio-drivers/scripts, and then you need to make the scripts executable. So for that, chmod u plus x dot / the name of the file. And likewise the second script as well. So now you need to execute these scripts one by one. Sudo and then the second script. Okay, so run the scripts until you get that backup notification over here. So first time when I ran that, I didn't get the backup notification. So the second time I ran, I got the conf.backup notification. So run that twice to get the backup notification. So now we should restart the system for the changes to take effect. So now I have restarted the system after installing the audio drivers for the voice hat. Run the following command to check the speaker. So it is speaker -test space -t space WAV and press enter.
Front, left, front, left, front, left.
Okay, so once you hear that, you know for sure that your voice hat is working fine. So from now the procedure is same for both the ones who have the AIY projects kit and the ones who don't have the AIY projects kit. Okay, so open up a browser and then download the credentials from the cloud console. Open up the downloads folder and then copy this onto your Pi directory and rename this as assistant. Okay, so now you can close the downloads directory and have this page open. So again, open up your terminal and run the commands one by one. Choose yes. So after that, run the third command. So there is a small change down the line which I will tell you. And then run the fourth and the fifth. Run the fifth command. So once you are once you have activated the environment, here you need to install the RPi GPIO. This is for activating the LED on Hotword detection. So for that, type pip install rpi.gpio. And after that, the library, actual library itself. And after the library is installed, run the authentication or install the authentication tool. And after that, authenticate. And after that, the code for authentication. So over here, you need to change the client underscore secret underscore client ID to assistant.json. Make sure that you have the path. The path will be /home/pi/the assistant.json, and then press enter. Copy this link and open it in the browser, and then you'll be asked to authenticate. So at the end of the confirmation process, you will get your authentication token or the code. Copy that and paste it over here. Okay, so the authentication process is done, and that is pretty much it, guys. So all the process is done. Next is to set up the Google Assistant to run on boot. So to do that, open up the Pi folder over here. Okay, so the scripts for auto start is in the src folder. So first and foremost, you need to make the gassist.sh as executable. So for that, cd space /home/pi/src and then chmod space u+x space ./g assist.sh. Okay, so once that is done, you can close your terminal and try running that as a test. Be sudo Okay, so you have got the command up and running. Hey Google, what's up?
I'm working on some new trivia questions for our next round of everybody's favorite game. Are you feeling lucky?
Okay, so the script is working fine. The assistant is also working fine. So stop the script and now type. And now to make it auto start on boot, type sudo space /etc sudo nano space /etc/profile. Just scroll down to the last line and type sudo /home//py//gassist.sh. Okay, so Control X, Y to save, and enter to exit. So after this is done, things are not yet done and over. Close this. You can close the terminal as well. Go into preferences and then Raspberry Pi configuration. Over here, change the boot from to desktop to CLI command line. And under interfaces, I would suggest you to have the SSH enabled just in case. Okay, so that is pretty much it. Now you can give OK and reboot to enjoy the Google Assistant. Okay, so now as you can see, the script has got executed. Hey Google, how are you?
I feel ready to help. Anything I can do for you?
No, nothing much. Thank you.
You got it.
Okay, so hey Google, how is the weather now?
In Waterford, it's 13 degrees Celsius and cloudy. Today, it'll be partly cloudy, with a forecasted high of 20 and a low of 11.
Hey Google, who is Trump?
According to Wikipedia, Donald John Trump is the 45th and current President of the United States.
Hey Google, which is the longest river?
Nile River. Here's a summary from Live Science. Flowing northward through the tropical climate of eastern Africa and into the Mediterranean Sea, the Nile River is the longest river in the world at 4,135 miles.
Hey Google, give me a recipe for a nice sandwich.
Sorry, I'm not sure how to help with that yet.
Hey Google, recipe for a sandwich.
My apologies. I don't understand.
Hey Google, recipe for frittata.
According to Food Network, beat together the eggs with some salt and pepper in a bowl. Stir in the Monterey Jack, Parmesan, and hot sauce and set aside. In a large oven-proof non-stick skillet, melt the butter over medium-high heat.
It doesn't give a recipe for a sandwich, but it gives a recipe for a frittata. What? Okay. Hey Google, I thought of asking something but I forgot.
Sorry, I don't understand.
I didn't ask anything. Hey Google, what are you made of?
Here's a summary from BuzzFeed. You are made of atoms, including 93% forged in stars. You're both 99% oxygen, carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, and calcium.
Hey Google, who are you?
I'm your Google Assistant, and I can play lucky trivia with you.
Hey Google, tell me a joke.
One joke coming up. What do you do if an elephant swallows you? Run around in circles till you're all pooped out.
Hey Google, do you know Alexa?
Alexa has such a soothing voice. I like it.
Hey Google, do you like Siri?
I know she's from Cupertino. That's pretty close to Mountain View.
Hey Google, what do you know about Cortana?
Sorry, I don't understand.
Hey Google, do, hey Google, do you like Cortana?
She's a real helper.
Hey Google, who is better, you or Cortana?
Sorry, I don't understand.
Okay, so guys, you can take your time out and play around with the Google Assistant. So that is pretty much it, guys. So that is how you can get the voice activated Google Assistant up and running in a headless mode or a headless setup or whatever you want, you can call it. Okay, so I hope that you find this really useful and informative. And if you feel so, subscribe and share this video. Thank you.